She is my mother, namely Rani Fatima. We came from Nicobar Island and we are resident on Nankori Island in the central Nicobar. Firstly, I would really like to thank my great friend, great gentleman, Dr. Rajesh Taneja, who was in United States when I called him when my mother got fracture. Then he immediately introduced me with Dr. Havind Tondon sir.
Haji Fatima from Nicobar, unfortunately she sustained leg fracture on the 18th of November 2022. She contacted us and she was transported by air.
ज़्यादा डॉक्टर लोग कुछ उतना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं था जितना डॉक्टर हेविंद सर था, जितना कॉन्फिडेंटली बोला कि दैट इट विल बी डन विद इन 4 days करके. फिर हम लोग फ्लाइट में चढ़ा, देन वी हैव टू पुट वन स्टूल इन द फ्लाइट उसका पैर रखने के लिए, क्योंकि एंड लकीली वी गॉट द डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट फ्रॉम पोर्ट ब्लेयर टू दिल्ली. लेकिन फ्लाइट में काफ़ी इश्यूज आया, उसको उठाने का, शिफ्टिंग का, फिर व्हील चेयर के पैर को बैन भी नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन अभी बैन कर सकता है. ये एक बहुत गुड न्यूज़ है हम लोग के लिए. फिर कैसा भी हम लोग संभव, फिर यहाँ का एम्बुलेंस आया, फिर हम लोग यहाँ पहुँचा, तो फिर एक होप आया, एक रिलीफ आया, ग्रेट रिलीफ.
On the 21st, she was admitted at Apollo Delhi, underwent a surgery. Mrs. Fatima's family was very scared because of her advanced age. At 96 years of age, doing a orthopedic procedure is a challenge. Giving anesthesia, taking care of the post-surgery issues is a challenge.
22nd को ऑपरेशन हुआ, विद इन 2 days में उसका प्लास्टर भी खोल दिया. She is totally fine now. So this is the great commitment by Dr. Havind sir and his team, Dr. Vaibhav and the Apollo Hospital.
She's 96 years of age. With all her medical issues, Apollo Hospital Delhi could easily manage this age patient. I could do the surgery and she's back home.
I, my mother, my family would really like to sincerely express our gratitude and sincere thanks to Dr. Rajesh Taneja sir, who have introduced me to Dr. Havind Tondon sir, and I would really express my deep-heartedly sincere gratitude and sincere thanks to Dr. Havind sir. I'm so much thankful to him. He is being so nice, so committed to get my mother treated. And similarly, I would like to thank Dr. Vaibhav also, who is being so kind, so nice, day and night. He was giving us a service